Hi my dear friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your ADC. Welcome back to our YouTube channel ADC Max. This is the first problem under the harmonic analysis. I've seen the numbers only. So what is meant by harmonic analysis? This is a procedure for finding the Fourier series from the given numerical value. So calculator is must. Okay. So numerical values. So how to get the Fourier series expansion from the given numerical values? Let us see the question number 1. So before going to the question number 1, there are 3 models in this harmonic analysis. I have considered the first one. It is called the pi model. Second one is T model. Third one is L model. So there are 3 types of problems: pi type, T type. Third one is L type. In this class, we are going to discuss the first type, it's called pi type. Let's see the question now. Find the Fourier series up to third harmonic for the function y equal f of x is periodic with the period 2 pi. 2 pi means how many degrees? 360 degrees. From the following table. Let us see the data. X given, corresponding y values are given. 0, pi by 3. Pi by 3 means how many degrees? 60 degrees. 2 pi by 3, 120 degrees. Pi, 180 degrees. 4 pi by 3, 240 degrees. 5 pi by 3, 300 degrees. And 2 pi, 360 degrees. The corresponding y values are given 1.0, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, 1.2, 1.0. Here, 0 degree and the 360 are same because it is a periodic with the period 2 pi. So 0 and 2 pi are same. So we omit the last value. 2 pi. So can you count the number of data now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that's why capital N equal to 6. The total angle is 2 pi, that is 360 degree. So 360 by 6. So the angles are multiples of 60 degrees. So that's why we get 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. And 360 and 0 are same. So we omit the last value. So this is the very first point. Let us find the first point. N must be an even number. That's very, very important. Okay. So suppose when we have the last value and the first value, as far as concerns the periodicity, the first and the last values are same. So we omit the last value. Okay. Right, so n equal to 6 now. Now, what's the question? Up to third harmonics. Is the question now. So, y equal to f of x is equal to a0 by 2. The first harmonic, a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. Second harmonic, a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x. And third harmonic, a3 cos 3x plus b3 sin 3x. Our aim to get the A0, A1, B1, A2, B2, A3 and B3. Now capital N is 6 because of the periodic function 2 pi. Now what's the formula for A0? 2 by capital N sigma y. So compute the sigma y from the table. Similarly, what is the A1 formula? 2 by capital N into sigma y cos x. So compute the sigma y cos x from the table. What's the B1 formula? B1 is a coefficient of sin x, so it is 2 by capital N into sigma y sin x. What about A2? 2 by n sigma y cos 2x. B2 2 by n sigma y sin 2x. A3 2 by n sigma y cos 3x. B3 is 2 by n sigma y sin 3x. So let us find out this value from the table only. Let us see the table. I have already constructed for you. Let us see that. It's a quick look into the table. Use the calculator degree mode. Use the calculator degree mode because I am going to use on the degrees only here. 0 degree, first column 0 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3. The equivalent degrees are 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. This is a multiples of 60. Is right? The corresponding y values 1.0, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, 1.2. Let us accumulate this value. Let us adding this vertically. We get sigma y. What is sigma y? 8.7. So once we get the sigma y value, this will give the A0 value. Let's substitute this 8.7 in the A0 formula. 2 by n is 6, 8.7. So we get a naught equal to 2.9. Got it? So a naught is a constant term. Usually when we do the integration with respect to x, this time we can add the values. Because this is a continuous type, this is the discrete type. Once I repeat this, adding vertically y values, substitute the value in the formula, we get the a naught value. Right? What about a1? a1 is y into cos x. What about cos x? Let's find the cos x. Yeah, cos x, cos 0, 1, cos 60, 0.5, cos 120, minus 0.5, cos 180 is minus 5, minus 1, cos 240, minus 0.5, and cos 300 is 0.5. Let us multiply this into this, y into cos x. 1.0 into 1, 1.0, 1.4 into 0.5, 0.7, 1.9 into minus 0.5, minus 0.95, 1.7 into minus 1, minus 1.7, 1.5 into minus 0.5, minus 7.5, 1.2 into 0.5, 0.6. Adding this vertically, we get sigma y cos x, summation, minus 1.1. Let us use this minus 1.1 in this a1 formula, we get the answer a1 is minus 0.37. What about the b1? For the b1, I need sigma y sin x. So let us construct the table in such a way that find the sin x first. Sin x, sin 0, 0, sin 60, 0.866, sin 120, 0.866, sin 180, 0, sin 240, minus 0.86, sin 300 is minus 0.866. Multiply y with sin x. Fill up this column. So multiply 1.0 into 0, 0, 1.4 into 0.866, 1.212, 1.9 to 0.866, 1.645, 1.7 to 0 is 0, 1.5 to minus 0.866, minus 1.299, 1.2 to minus 0.866, minus 1.039. Adding this vertically, we get sigma y sin x. This will give the b1 value. Here 0.519. Substitute this answer in this formula 0.519. We get the b1 value. So this is the first harmonic. What about the second harmonic? Second harmonic means it is a multiples of twice the angle. So what's the angle here? X. So multiply first by 2. 0 into 2, 0. 60 into 2, 120. Usually x is multiples of 60. Now 2x means multiples of 120. That's a constant. Right? So 0, 120, 240, 360, 480 and 600. Now find the corresponding cos value. Multiply y with the cos 2x. Adding this vertically we get minus 0.3. This will give the a2 value. What's the a2 formula? 2 by n sigma y cos 2x. So here cos 2x is minus 0.3. So minus 0.3 by 3 is minus 0.21. What about b2? Second harmonic value. b2 is 2 by n sigma y sin 2x. Find out the sin 2x value. Yeah, this is the 2x now. Find the sin 2x. Sin 0, 0. Sin 120, 0.866. Sin 240, minus 0.866. Sin 360, 0. Sin 480, 0.866. Sin 600 is minus 0.866. Multiply y with this sin 2x. Fill up this column. So these two are 0. Others are 2 positive, 2 negative. Adding this vertically, we get sigma y sin 2x minus 0.173. Substitute this value in the B2 formula. 2 by capital N, that is 6, and minus 0.173. Minus 0.173. We get the B2 value minus 0.058. Clear? This is the second harmonic. Third harmonic, thrice the time angle. The angle multiplied by 3 times. So what's the angle here? Actually, it's a multiples of 60, you know. Now multiply by 3. What we will get is becomes 0. Yes. 3 into 60, 180. 3 into 120 is 360. 3 into 180 is 540. 3 into 240 is 720. 3 into 300 is 900. So this is the first one. X is the multiples of 60 degrees. 2x is multiples of 120 degree. Second harmonic. Third harmonic is a multiples of 180 degree. 3 into 60 degrees. 180 degrees. Find out the cos 3x value. Cos 0, 1, cos 180 minus 1, cos 360 plus 1, cos 540 minus 1, cos 700 plus 1, cos 900 is minus 1. Multiply along with the y. So y is here. Please see that y. 1.0 into 1, 1.0. 1.4 into minus 1, minus 1.4. 1.9 into 1, 1.9. 1.7 to minus 1, minus 1.7. 1.5 into 1, 1.5. 1.2 into minus 1, minus 1.2. Adding this vertically we get plus 0.1. Substitute this sigma y cos 3x which gives the A3. So A3 formula 2 by n sigma y cos 3x. 2 by 6.1, so 0.03 is the A3. What about the B3? The B3 is 0. Why? Because you see the 3x is the multiples of pi. Multiples of 180. Multiples of pi under sine function is 0. So everything is 0. So sine y sine 3x is 0. Sigma y sine 3x is 0. So B3 is 0. So after getting the A0, A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, substitute in the given required Fourier series expansion up to the third harmonic. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. We get A0 by 2. 2.9 by 2. So 1.45 plus A1 cos x plus B1 sin x plus A2 cos 2x plus B2 sin 2x plus A3 cos 3x. What about B3? 0. So that's it. So this is the required Fourier series expansion up to third harmonics. Up to third harmonics. This is the pi type model. Pi type. What about the other T type and L type? Let us discuss in the other class, in other separate videos. The beauty is, it's a T or L, whatever. So let us convert into the corresponding degrees. So how to convert? The conversion only play a crucial role. Once if you got that technique, then the rest of the method, the procedure is, this is the procedure. This is the procedure. So thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel ADC Max. Thank you so much.